Hello Internet, today I will show you how to create this industrial wall. On our right you can see our offsets, at the bottom we have our colors and textures. Start off with this dark red color and concrete texture. Place a monitor and get a slab that is gray and concrete texture. Move it into your red blocks after resizing. Now get a gray slab with brick texture, place it on top of the first layer and resize. As you can see, I messed up but fixed it. Now get a gray slab with the metal texture and place on the next layer. For the next layer, repeat the gray bricks part but make it 3 blocks high. Now mirror everything you did for the first 3 layers. Now we will make the outlines, get a black cylinder, concrete texture, and use this offset. This offset is made up of 3 monitors. Place the cylinder and resize to the same length of the wall. Do that again, but make the height too so it's on an offset, then move it into the wall. Copy this for the metal parts and top of wall. Now grab a stair and resize it to be the length of the wall. After you've done that, copy it for the top of the wall, but do it on a slab and monitor offset, like it's shown in the video. Here I confused the bottom part with the top. That's why I used the offset here on accident. Here is when I realized what I did wrong. Move this into the first layer and get started on the top. For the top, you will need to do a glitch where you tilt the block and place at the same time to get this double offset. Move this into the top layer. Now, we don't want to see the blocks clipping through the roof. So, place a thin wall and resize it to be the same length as the wall. Now that you've moved it into the wall, we will add vines as decorations. This part is optional and you don't have to follow. Find the grass texture and any color you want. Place a stick display and then a thin wall on it. But first put the stick display on a slab offset. Now place these thin walls at random sizes and amounts on the wall. Now, before we end the video, we will work on the lines in the metal area. Select a smooth cylinder T-shape and place one after every 3 blocks. Copy this for both metal parts and then the design will be finished. Also, if you want the wall shorter, just mirror the first 2 layers, but add the metal part in the middle. But anyways, thanks for watching, bye.